Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Airfog. Hopes you are good. In this video I'll show that how to send Google Doc to Discord. So friends, this way is very easy. First you have to open your Google Docs. See my friends, top of corner, share button. Then copy your link. Minimize, open your Discord account. So my friends, this can paste it. Control B, then enter. See my friends, my Google Docs name assignment is uploaded. So friends, after watching this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notification. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care. Bye bye.